Welcome to MyCargo 247, the quickest and most efficient way to purchase single-trip spot cargo insurance. Simply answer 4 easy questions and you instantly get a quote. Start by selecting the commodity you are shipping. Enter the entire value of the load to receive a full all-risk policy which prevents a gap in your coverage. Type in the zip code of the pickup location and the zip code of the delivery location. Click the blue Instant Quote button. It will produce a quote summary page detailing out the exact amount it will cost for that single trip cargo to be insured from one destination to another. Next, click on the blue Purchase button, which will lead to the carrier detail page. Type in a valid DOT number and click the blue button, in which it will automatically populate the carrier's information. Enter in the carrier's mobile phone number, which is required, and then click Next, which will produce the shipping information page. Click on Pickup Date, Estimated Delivery Date, enter in the bill of lading number, pick the mode, type in the carrier's contact name and email address, shipper's name and email address, consignee name and email address, allowing all parties involved to receive the certificate of insurance immediately after purchase. Broker's name and email are optional. Click on the Terms and Conditions, scrolling down, allowing the opportunity to review the terms and conditions and address the highlighted warranty statement section. At the bottom of the page is our contact information with a live person ready to answer all of your questions. Click on Accept, and then click on Checkout and move to the final step, which is the payment details page. On the right side of the page, it shows the declaration details, allowing a final review of the purchase. On the left side of the page, it presents the payment details. Follow the prompts to process your credit card. Press Pay and it's done. Your cargo is insured and ready for shipment.